Hi everyone, I'm John from Google's Global Expansion team, and thank you for tuning in to learn more about export. I know that expanding past your domestic borders is not easy, so we wanted to share with you a few best practices to keep in mind as you expand. Global expansion is a long and involved process, but the first step in this process is to discover your opportunities abroad. Potential customers outside your borders are currently searching for your products or services, and we have tools that can help you truly understand the size of the international opportunity. 2. Recognize any barriers to entry for these markets. Translation needs and local payment methods are just a couple examples of variables that should be taken into account when evaluating your options. Next, you want to connect with the locals. 3. Baby steps. Start with the lowest hanging fruit. Look for markets that share language, proximity, or other cultural factors with your domestic market. This will help with adaptation. 4. Word-for-word translation is not enough. Make sure to truly localize the content, colors, technology preferences, and selling propositions for the local market. Even in markets where the language is the same, I would recommend considering localizing. After you've connected with the locals, be sure to set up your account for optimization across markets. 5. Start with what is already working. There will be optimizing and tweaking from here, but best to start with a strategy that has worked in the past. 6. All markets are not the same. Make sure to set separate goals and other success metrics for each market. This is not apples to apples. 7. As your goals and metrics may be different by market, the account structure should be consistent. Expansion will naturally grow the size of accounts, so there's no need to overcomplicate by changing the way you set up an account as well. Consistent structure will save you time in the future with reporting, budgeting, and general account management. 8. Along these same lines, establish a consistent naming convention in one language. This will save you from many headaches down the road as accounts grow. Once your account is set up for success, you can use automation and scale your coverage. 9. As you are scaling your business, make sure to scale your efforts as well. Leverage our automated solutions as much as possible. 10. Automated tools can also allow you to quickly test out new markets and assess if these markets could be revenue drivers for you in the future. Now that you have the best practices as a guideline, you're off to a great start. But like I mentioned earlier, one step at a time. Global expansion is a process. If you found this helpful or interesting, please check out more of our content on the AdWords community, or for more specific information regarding these 10 best practices covered, click here. Have a great day or evening, and we'll see you next time.